Hey guys, so in this video we'll be covering what is the account ID for Cash App. Click on the top right, click on your profile icon. Now here, okay, so I'll explain one thing. Cash App does not use account IDs in the traditional sense. So for receiving or sending money in Cash App, use your Cashtag right here, okay, next to the dollar symbol. So use that. You can use your phone number or email. There's no specific account ID. So the Cashtag is basically your account username. Okay. So for things like direct deposit, like from payroll or government benefits, Cash App actually gives you banking details, not a normal Cash App account ID. You'll get things like a routing number, okay, an account number, a bank name. Usually it's a Lincoln savings account. Okay. So you use those. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.